Well, I won't say sorry anymore. I got caught again. Okay, I was throwing this 2 lipsticks when I got caught. So, as I was saying, I'm also a dealer of Fuller Life aside from Avon, and these are from Fuller Life. I got this because of its packaging. It's so cute. It's Pop Shop. I got two. The Princess Punk, and it's a hot pink shade. Can you see that? Oh, it's pink. And then I got another one, and this is the one I'm wearing right now. It's Ultimate Babe. There. This one. It's cute. So that's what I'm wearing, and then I put on my Avon Strawberry Shine Lip Gloss. And then I also got Pop Shop Lip and Cheek Tint. I haven't opened it yet. And actually, this is not a makeup. I'll show you. It's so cute. Look at this. This is a mirror. I actually have a mirror already, but I find this cute. See? Just, oh sorry, slide it. It's cute. Can't resist it. And I got my daughter a Baghdad, and it's Hello Kitty. So nice. And then I also got minerals, bare minerals from Fuller Life. This one is in Rose Blossom, and this one is Petal Drop. This one is from Rose Blossom. I haven't tried the Petal Drop yet, but this one, Rose Blossom. There we go. It's cute, and it's very lightweight, so I like it. And this one, I haven't opened this yet. It's a Petal Drop, also a bare mineral blush on. See? Wait. Yeah, it's pretty. I haven't tried it yet. Okay, for now, those are my recent makeup haul.